In this shoe custom episode, we have a little character not named Zelda. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando, and in this project, we have a shoe custom by Dreambrush Custom Creations, the design, the Legend of Zelda, the shoe, a Converse All-Star High. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful design. The background, the blues, there's different color blues, the blacks, the dark, looks like the navy. Just an overall great design. We got Link. Now, from when I was growing up, I thought Zelda was Link. I was a child. I didn't know. I probably didn't even know how to read playing the game. Just knew it was a fun, great creation. The Legend of Zelda, the design, the title, it's just beautiful. Look at that. You got the highlights on the Zelda. We have the sword. We have the shield. And then the background. I get two things from that. It could either be the wind, but when playing the game, you know, when you hit the sword button, you have that effect that comes right off of the sword. That's what I think that is. I could be wrong. It could be the wind. Overall, Dreambrush Custom Creations, this custom Converse All-Stars, the Legend of Zelda design, beautiful, hands down. Thought this was a great find. Love the artwork. Dreambrush Custom Creations, keep on painting. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.